Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to discuss Lodgify. Now, Lodgify is a vacation rental software for property managers and owners. It allows you to create a professional website, manage bookings, and increase your online presence. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the basics of Lodgify. First, I'll give you a quick overview of what Lodgify is all about. Then, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a new account, and we're going to take a look at its main features. Next, I'm going to explain how to add your first rental and create your own website. But before we dive into the details, I've got something special for you. If you're thinking about signing up for Lodgify, use my special link below the video. When you use that link to sign up, I'll send you some amazing templates. Now, these include the Business Hub for managing your business and the Finance Hub for keeping track of your money and the Real Estate Tracker to help you stay on top of your real estate portfolio. Those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free, just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. All right, so before we dive into the video, let me give you a brief overview of what Lodgify is all about. So Lodgify is an all-in-one vacation rental software that allows you to easily create a professional website, manage bookings and payments, and increase your online visibility. It is designed specifically for property managers and owners who want to streamline their vacation rental business. Now with Lodgify, you can easily create a professional website without any coding or design skills. It offers customizable templates and a user-friendly drag and drop editor to help you create a stunning website that showcases your properties. Lodgify also simplifies the booking process by allowing guests to book directly through your website. You can manage reservations, accept payments, and communicate with guests all in one place. Now let me show you how you can sign up for a new Lodgify account. So to sign up for Lodgify, open your web browser and type Lodgify in the search bar. Then click on the first result to go to the official Lodgify website. Now, when you're on the home page, look for the Get Started button and click it. Now, this is going to take you to the next page where you can begin. Now, on this page, you're going to see two options to choose from. One is for managing 1 to 5 properties, and the other is for managing more than 6 properties. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to pick the I manage 1 to 5 properties option. On the next page, click on the Sign Up for a Free Trial button. Next, you're going to create your account. Now you can sign up with email, Google, Facebook, and Apple. Choose the one that works for you and then just follow the instructions. Now for this tutorial, we will go with the Google option. And so once you've signed up, add your phone number and click Next to continue. The next page lets you pick what you need from Lodgify. The choices include creating bookable websites, booking engines for external websites, channel management, and property management tools. Now, we will choose the bookable websites option and then click Next to move forward. After that, Lodgify will ask you how many rentals you manage. Here, you enter the number of rentals that you have so they can customize their services to fit your needs. For example, we will enter 5 as the number of rentals for us. Once done, click Next again. Finally, you're going to see a confirmation message that your account is ready. The Lodgify dashboard is where you're going to handle everything for your vacation rental business. Now at the top left corner, you're going to see 3 small dashes. When you click on them, the main menu opens up. So let me give you a quick look at what you're going to find here. So first, the dashboard tab gives you a quick look at how your business is doing. The reservations tab helps you keep track of all of your bookings, and the inbox tab is where you can communicate with your guests. Calendar tab shows your availability and lets you manage your reservations. The rentals tab helps you manage your properties listed on your website. Then there's the PM modules tab. It has the advanced features to help property managers manage their vacation rental properties, and provides efficiency in their overall tasks. Next is the website builder tab. So if you want your own website to take direct bookings, it lets you create and customize it without needing technical skills. The channel manager tab is where you'll find the settings for managing your channels and reservations from external websites. And the reviews tab lets you manage guest reviews and feedback. Plus, the Reports tab gives you detailed analytics into your business, from financial summaries to booking trends. The Marketplace tab is where you can find additional features and services to enhance your vacation rental business. And the Settings tab is where you can manage your account settings, billing information, and company details. All right, so let's go through how to create your first rental in Lodgify. So first, click on the Reservations tab in the menu. This is going to take you to the reservations page. From there, click on the Create Rental button. Next, you're going to see two options: copy rental from Airbnb or create a new rental. For this tutorial, let's go with the second option and create a new rental. After that, Lodgify is going to ask you for your rental's public and internal names. Simply type in the names you want for your rental and click the Next button. Next, pick the country and city where your rental is located, then click the Next button again. After that, go ahead and upload some pictures of your rental and then click the Next once more. Now, on the next page, go ahead and fill in some basic details about your place. Add information like how many guests it can host, the number of bedrooms it has, as well as bathrooms. When you're done, click the Next button to move on. Next, select the amenities available in your rental, like air conditioning, heating, parking, kitchen, stove, internet, and more. If you want, you can skip this step by clicking the Skip button, and once that's done, click Next again. On the following page, you're going to set your nightly price. Choose the currency and then click Next to continue. Next, write a short description of your place. There's even an option to use AI to generate a description for you. Now, when you're ready, click on the Next button to proceed. On the next page, you're going to have two options for accepting reservations. The first option is instant booking, and the second is booking request. Now, for this tutorial, let's go ahead and stick with the default option of instant booking and click the Next button. Once you click, you'll get a confirmation that your rental has been successfully created. From here, you have two choices. Now, if you click the Go to Dashboard button, you're going to go straight to your dashboard. And if you click the Go to Rental button, it's going to take you to the page for your new rental. Now, let's go through how you can create your own website in Lodgify in just 5 simple steps. So you can access the website builder in 2 ways. First, click on the Website Builder tab in the main menu, and this is going to guide you through the 5 steps to create your website. Or if you're on the Dashboard tab, you'll see the remaining steps to set up your account. And from there, just click the Create Website button and it'll take you to the same 5-step process. No matter where you start, the steps are exactly the same. So let me walk you through these steps so that you can easily create your first website. So the first step is to pick a template, and you're going to see options like Livingston, Tideway, Capucine, and Brooklyn. So let's go with the first one and click on the Start button. Next, choose a color palette that fits your brand. Let's go with the first option of Misty. After that, click the Next button. Then you're going to upload the best picture of your rental for the homepage. Pick the one that really shows off your place. And once it's uploaded, click the Next button. And if you're not ready, you can go ahead and skip this step by clicking the Skip button. After that, go ahead and enter your business name and tagline. This is going to help with recognition and make your brand stronger. Now, once that's done, go ahead and click the Next button. Finally, upload a logo for your website. When it's ready, click on the Done button. And there you go. You have just created your website, and now it's time to customize it. So go ahead and click on the Go to My Website button. It's going to take you to the Lodgify website builder, where you can easily create your website using a drag and drop tool. At the moment, there's a simple horizontal menu bar with sections like styles, pages, settings, rentals, and external widgets. Each one helps you customize your site in different ways. So first, the styles section lets you change how your website looks. So you can adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and other design elements to match your style. Next, the pages section is where you're going to handle all of the pages on your website. So you can edit existing pages or add new ones that show up in the header or footer navigation. Then in the settings section, you manage important details like your domain name, languages, social media links, and pricing. So after that, the rental section is where you add all your rental properties. Now, you can include as many as your subscription allows. And then finally, the external widgets section is perfect if you want to add features from other platforms. Now, this lets you connect third-party widgets to make your website even more useful. Now, once your website is designed, just click the Publish Website button in the top right corner to make it live. But remember, you'll need to upgrade to one of Lodgify's paid plans before you can actually publish. And that's it. You've created your very own website in just 5 simple steps. Now you're ready to show off your rental properties and start welcoming guests through your professional looking website. And that's it for this video. So I hope this video helped you understand the basics of using Lodgify. And as a reminder, if you're thinking about signing up for Lodgify, don't forget to use my special link in the description below. When you use that link to sign up, I'll send you some amazing templates, which include the Business Hub for managing your business and the Finance Hub for keeping track of your money and the Real Estate Tracker to help you stay on top of your real estate portfolio. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel.